I'm at beautiful Holiday Haven in Ulladulla on the south coast of New South Wales. This property is rated assisted walking. As you enter the ramped access, you have a combined living, dining and bedroom. There is some room here if the table was moved out on request, if a wheelchair user was able to access the door widths. Within the accessible bathroom, on this side you can see that there are lowered hooks. You have an adjustable shower nozzle and a wall-mounted shower chair and the grab rails all the way through to the toilet and a glide under vanity. Not far from Holiday Haven in Ulladulla is Livy's Place, a wonderful accessible playground in Mollymook. You can access the swing, the Liberty Swing, via an MLAC key, and there are lots of other wonderful accessible play features. By the way, the splash park is step-free and accessible. Look with us and book with us, Holiday Haven, Ulladulla on the New South Wales south coast, and enjoy.